Brr, cold outside, but warm inside. And we're doing another quick, easy vegan meal. So I'm going to flip this around and show you how easy this is. So we have tons of veggies. We got yellow squash, green squash, broccoli, and red pepper, all organic, with some coconut oil sauteing. We have some tofu seasoned and baking in the oven. And we have a peanut teriyaki sauce, recipe courtesy of Pinterest, and that will go on the vegetables once they start cooking. And then in the rice machine, we have some brown rice. We're gonna throw it all together in a bowl with a little micro broccoli, and voila, dinner easy, under half an hour, healthy, yum. Hope everyone's having a good night. Cheers.